Hello everybody, how are you? So today is another challenge to me. So I'm going to present the Windows 11 top 10 features and settings you must know. Yeah, and during the use of the Windows 10 or Windows 11, I found some settings you might miss, but it's important. Okay, we will go through one by one with you. So yeah, see the first one. What you need to do is your Windows 10 or Windows 11, you must sign in with the Microsoft account. After you sign in with Microsoft account, there are a lot of features you will benefit from. Okay, but after you enable the Microsoft account sign in, another one important thing is you must enable the multi-factor authentication. They call it MFA. So you can use your text message, or you can use the one-time password, or you can use the authenticator application. Yeah. So the reason you need to enable the MFA is because 99.9% hacked account has no MFA enabled. So that means if you enable MFA, then you can eliminate 99.9% chance to be hacked. Yeah. So where to enable it? You need to go online and visit this address. So you will see here. So in the security section, you will see additional security options. Then you can add email code, text code, or sign-in notification, or enter code from an authenticator app. So you have those options. So you must enable those, one of those, or multiple of them. Yeah. So after you enable MFA, your account is much safer, as we described previously. Okay, this is the one key important when you start using Windows 11. So next one, after you secure your account, then you need to secure your document or your important files in Windows 11. So that means there's a one default tool is already enabled, but if you haven't enabled that one, you better to review it. So that one is OneDrive backup. So once you enable OneDrive backup, then your desktop and the documents and photos will automatically back up to cloud. That means even you lost your device or your device is damaged or defective, you still have your data. So let's see where to enable it. So on your taskbar, you might see this icon already. This is the OneDrive application. It's running on the background. So you can right-click this icon. So it will pop up OneDrive app, and then you can view the settings. In the settings, you can check the backup setting. Make sure manage backup, and you enable start backup. If you sign in with your Microsoft account at the very beginning, probably this one already in place. So, but I would like you to review this setting to make sure your documents and desktop at least backed up to the cloud. Okay. So by default, you have 5 gig free space to back up your documents and desktop. So if you back up your pictures, probably you will run out your space soon. You can buy extra space from Microsoft, or you can disable, picture backup to save some space. Okay. This is second features, and the third feature is I call it productivities. So when you do search, probably you will realize in Windows 11 Edge is using the Bing.com as the default search engine. So for my favorite, I would like to use Google as a search engine. So then you need to change that one to improve your search quality. So in the Edge settings, if you click those 3 dots here and click settings, in privacy search and services, and you scroll down to the address bar search. So you change to Google, change to address bar. Now you will be able to use the address bar to search in Google by default. So this helped me a lot to improve my search result. Okay, and after you start using Edge, you will kind of save a lot of data information in Edge as well. For example, your password and favorite. So then what you need to do is you need to enable the password and favorite sync. What that means, your favorite and the password will be synced back to the cloud. If you ever lost your device and you have your password and the favorite again after you log into your account. So this is the same location in Edge. So profile and enable the sync, then you check those check marks, make sure the sync is on. For sure, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account first, right? Okay. So this is one important for your data security. Okay, let's move to the next one. So clipboard history. So we know to use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy and paste a content. But some people might miss an important feature we call clipboard history. That means when you press Ctrl+C, your content will save in the history. Then you can use Windows V to call that history, and you can pick up one of them to paste in the location you want. So this one helped me a lot to improve my efficiency. So Windows V, remember that key, okay? So next one is about the system security, okay? So we call it system protection. So by default, probably it's enabled on your C drive. So in this PC icon, right click, you can bring the properties in. And in the properties, if you choose system protection, and in the system protection, you can see here, I have two drives, C and E. So you can enable on both if they are in the important files. And after that, the system will not automatically create backup or we call it checkpoint for you, but you can manually create the checkpoint. So I will recommend every major change, like if you want to do a Windows update, if you want update the new driver, install the new application. Before that or after that, you can create a checkpoint. Then if something goes wrong, you can go back, roll back. Okay, this one, system protection. Okay, and another one is how to optimize your system. So time by time, your Windows, you will feel slower and slower. One of the reasons is more and more programs, they trying to launch themselves during the startup. So you have an option like to use the task manager. We call it the Control+Shift Escape. Use this one, and you can call task manager and go to startup. You can disable those startup items. You can even disable all of them if you don't know what's them, right? So after you disable those unwanted items, your Windows will be much better. Okay. So another one is also related with the productivities. So a lot of people might know you can use the keyboard to type your information in, but Windows 10 and Windows 11 has a very good feature, like you can use the voice to input the text message, and you can even use it to write your articles. So this is the key to enable that Windows plus H. So remember to try to use that one. I found it's getting more and more accurate compared to the old version of Windows. So better to give a try. Probably they will save you a lot of time. Okay, let's go to the number 9. Number 9 is you use the quick assist. So when your computer has some challenges and you would like to your friend to help you out, or you want to help your friend out, you can use this tool, quick assist, to build the session to connect to another Windows computer. So you can view their desktop, and you can even operate their computer remotely and help them out. This is very important as well. I use it quite often. Probably previously you install some third-party like TeamViewer to do that, but remember that you have a built-in tool already. Why not use it? Okay. So let's go to the next one, last one. I call it like to support your non-English language. So if you even use Chinese or Japanese or Korea applications, so you might see some application display the weird characters in their application. So then this feature is called the Non-Unicode characters in Windows. They couldn't display in correct way by default. So then you need to enable that one to support your own language. So where to set? So in the control panel, if you use search feature and bring out the control panel, I found these settings in the regions, and you can go to administrative tab, and you will find here, language for non-Unicode programs. So change it. By default, it's English. So my system already display English incorrect way. Why we need set as English? So we need set to your own languages. Okay, change system locale, then change to your own language. So set okay. So then your language program you will be displaying in correct way. Okay. Okay, so this all about top 10 features or settings I collected for you. So if you like this video, maybe give me a thumb up. I know my language maybe is kind of a challenge to you, but I'm improving. Thanks. Have a good day.